In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the send offers automatically feature on eBay 2025. If you're a seller on eBay, you might have noticed that the platform has an option to automatically send offers to potential buyers. While this can be a great tool to drum up interest and possibly close sales, sometimes you might prefer to manage your offers manually. This could be for a variety of reasons, such as wanting to personalize your message to a prospective buyer or ensuring that your pricing strategy remains consistent. Today we're going to walk through the steps to disable this automatic feature so you have more control over your selling process. Let's start by logging into your eBay account. This is the first step anytime you're looking to manage your settings. Head to the eBay website or open the app and enter your login credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the home page where you can start navigating to the necessary settings. Next, we're going to navigate to your active listings. To do this, locate and click on the Sell tab, which is typically located at the top of the web page. This will take you to a page showcasing all your current listings. Here you'll find a comprehensive overview of your inventory, allowing you to manage and edit individual listings as needed. Once you have your active listings in front of you, choose the item whose settings you'd like to modify. Click the Edit button next to that item. This will bring up another menu where you'll want to select View Offer Settings. It's important to know how to access these settings, as they give you insight into how each listing is presented to potential buyers. After selecting View Offer Settings, you'll see a pop-up menu appear on the right panel of your screen. This panel holds all the options for managing how offers are sent to potential buyers. From here, locate the Send Offers to Buyers option. Clicking this will provide you access to the automated offer settings, allowing you to adjust them as desired. Finally, to turn off the automatic sending of offers, simply toggle the switch next to automatically send offers to the off position. By doing this, you stop eBay from automatically generating and sending offers to buyers on your behalf, giving you the flexibility to send offers only when you're ready. Remember, confirming this setting change is crucial to ensure your preferences are saved. And that's it. With just these simple steps, you've successfully taken control of your offer settings on eBay. This gives you a little more autonomy and the ability to tailor each offer to suit potential buyers better. I hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget to manage your offers actively to keep your sales moving smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on eBay.